Hello viewers all over the world and pupils of Berry International School Grade 3. How are you doing today? I hope you're staying safe. Okay, I am Mrs. Naomi Bassi taking you on civic education. Okay, today we are going to be looking at a topic on the board which is a nation. A nation. Okay, now you may be asking yourself, what is a nation? Okay, we say a nation is a group of people living together under the same government. A nation is a group of people living together under the same government. Okay, a nation can also be called a country. A nation can also be called a country. For example, Nigeria is a nation. Nigeria is a nation. America is a nation. Ghana is a nation. Germany is a nation. Okay, now I want us to look at some of the characteristics of a nation. Some of the characteristics of a nation. We say a nation has a common currency. A nation must have a common currency. Okay, now the next one, we say that a nation must have a common territory. A nation must have a common territory. Okay, the third one, we say that a nation must have a by-law. A nation must have a constitutional law, which is also called a by-law. Okay, now let us look at the board. Okay, number one here, we say one of the characteristics of a nation is that a nation must have a common currency. For example, in Nigeria here, we use Naira. Naira is used in Nigeria. Cedi is used in Ghana. Dollar is used in America. Okay, number two, we say a nation must have a common territory. A nation must have a common territory. All the people must be located in a specified place. A nation must have a common territory. And we went further to say all the people must be identified in a specified place. Okay, the third one, we say a nation must have a common economy. A nation must have a common economy. Yes, a nation must have a common economy. Now, every citizen must work for and share from the wealth of the nation. Every citizen must work for and share in the wealth of a nation. You don't have to be lazy. You don't have to sit in your house and at the end of the day, you expect money to come in. Okay, number four here, we say a nation must have a common law. Just as I said earlier, a nation must have a common law, which is the by-law. Yes, a nation must have rules and regulations guiding the citizens. Okay, the fifth one, we say a nation must have a common language. A nation must have a common language. Here in Nigeria, we have different local languages. But the common language we have here in Nigeria is English language. You can communicate with English language here in Nigeria. Okay, the next thing we are going to be looking at. We are going to be looking at the reasons for building a nation. The reasons for building a nation. Here are some reasons for building a nation. Okay, we say we build a nation for the following reasons. Number one, for peaceful coexistence. Okay, number two, for common use of resources. Yes, sorry. Number three, for protection against aggression and. Okay, one of the reasons for building a nation is for common use of resources. For common use of resources. Okay, we build a nation to develop the natural resources to benefit all citizens. Example, we have the coal, we have the crude oil, and we have the iron ore. Okay, number three, we say for protection against aggression and enemies. for protection against aggression and enemies. Okay, we say to unite citizens against any war or dispute with hostile neighbors. Okay, now we have number 4, to benefit from each other. To benefit from each other. Now, the tax we pay, in return, the government use it to build some infrastructure, some infrastructure like our schools, our road, our hospitals, and the market. Okay. Number 5, we say to create job opportunities for the citizens. Reasons for building a nation. Number 5, we say to create job opportunities for the citizens. Okay, don't forget that we are talking about a nation. What is a nation? We say a nation is a group of people living together under the same government. We went further to say a nation can also be called a country. Okay, we said examples of a nation are: number 1, we have Nigeria, we have Togo, we have America, we have Ghana, and the rest of it. Okay, now we went further to state some of the characteristics of a nation, and we say a nation must have a common currency. A nation must have a common currency. Okay, number 2, we say a nation must have a common territory. Number 3, we say a nation must have a common economy. Okay. Number 4, we said a nation must have a common law, which is the bylaw. Okay. Number 5, we said a nation must have a common language. For example, okay, I take it again. Some of the characteristics of a nation, we have number 1, a nation must have a common currency. Okay. Number 2, we say a nation must have a common territory. Number 3, we said a nation must have a common economy. Number 4, we said a nation must have a common law, which is the constitution. Okay. Number 5, we said a nation must have a common language. For example, the general language we have here is English language, even though we have other local languages. Okay. Now we have reasons for building a nation. Reasons for building a nation. Okay, we build a nation for the following reasons. Number 1, for peaceful coexistence. Okay. Number 2, for common use of resources. Number 3, for protection against aggression and enemies. Okay. Number 4, to benefit from each other. Number 5, to create job opportunities for the citizens. Okay, with this we have come to the end of today's lesson. But before I leave you, I'll give you something to do for me. Okay, here is your home activity on the board. Number 1, we say, what is a nation? What is a nation? Number 2, we say, list 4 characteristics of a nation. List 4 characteristics of a nation. Number 3, write down 4 reasons for building a nation. Write down 4 reasons for building a nation. Okay, write it and submit it for marking. Continue to be a good child. Stay safe. I am still your tutor, Naomi Bassey. Bye-bye.